Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about how I usually simplify the trees for my watercolor paintings. So sometime back when I started painting, I used to paint every possible leaf in the tree. This never works and the tree never looks good on the painting. Then from that I moved on to kind of an oversimplified approach where I kind of paint the whole tree as a single shape. This does not work as well. So nowadays what I do is I try to simplify the tree into like 2 or 3 shapes maximum. Sometimes 4, but mostly it's 2 or 3. So suppose if we take this tree, what I would do first is I will have that as my first shape, and that as probably my second shape, and that as my third shape. So what I will do is I will approach each one of these parts of the tree as a separate shape and paint the darks and lights in it separately. And then I try to put them together at the last moment so that they read as a single tree. So let's look at a demo of how I usually do this.